Bro.
Yeah.
What's this video about? I think we're gonna do 3 videos today. I want to do 3.
Intake.
Intake.
Yeah.
We'll talk about it. We'll point where you installed it. Like we'll just. Evan hates this, by the way.
I do.
So we'll point where we installed it.
Yeah.
So that'll be video number 1.
And then hear it.
And we'll hear it, which we kind of already may have recorded it.
Not the drive-by.
We'll get some more.
Fly-by.
Video number 2. You wanna grab one of those things over there?
Oh yeah.
Video number 2. How to install some
emblems.
Because, you know, Ford, no one likes the blue, sorry.
Unless the truck's blue.
Video number 3. So you haven't seen our Explorer video, well.
Catch can. It's a love-hate with people, but, you know.
Gotta keep the oil out of the bad places.
I hate to love it, so. The oil out of the bad places.
You know, I'll smack you in the face with this?
Huh?
You thought I was gonna smack you in the face with that?
Oh, you would. Yeah.
Camera guy, don't hurt the camera guy. So, 3 videos.
Can't hurt the camera.
1, intake. 2, emblems. 3, JLT oil catch can.
See? It's a filter.
So, tell us about it.
It's a AFE.
Uh-huh.
It's a filter.
Uh-huh.
It's a cold air intake
Uh-huh.
filter.
The neighbor's lawnmower is louder than you talk.
And it's a filter. So, it's an AFE cold air intake.
Right here.
This one.
Bro.
It makes spoolie boy noises.
Alright, so serious note. AFE.
Cold air intake.
Cold air intake.
Momentum GT. It's for a 17
to 20
F150 3.5 Spoolie Boy Ecoboost. And
we put it on 21. And it fits.
It fits.
What's the install process since we didn't put it on video since you couldn't wait?
Well, because I didn't want to wait.
You don't want to wait.
I really don't care.
Explain it. So, what's stock still? This is still stock right here, right?
This is stock to here.
And this all came off.
Yep. This is stock to here.
To there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this replaced the scoop that came with it, because before it went like down and then in.
So you had to take these off.
Yep.
Take off the old scoop.
Yep.
Took off the old air box.
Yep.
And took out whatever was right here.
Yep.
And then just put like little bolts there. Put this little piece here.
Yep.
This here. Does this mount somewhere down in here?
Yeah, to here.
Right there.
And then it just sits into some pins underneath. Just sits down.
Some stuff down here.
Yep. And then there's a little chingus that goes on here. And a little tube that goes inside there. Got to make sure it faces towards the turbo. And
so this guy goes down in that direction with a couple more of these little clamp things. This thing clips in right here. That's it. You're done. Bolts right up.
Took me like
17 to 20.
Took me like 45 minutes.
So if you're wondering and you want to put an air intake on your 21,
the hardest part, well, so the 17 to 20 intake works just fine, except right here, you look back here, it sits on this sensor. So I'm going to turn this back a little bit, or you can just take this freaking thing off.
Yeah, if you want it to be pretty, you can just take the thing off. That's it.
So anyways, I think I'm going to take this thing off.
So we'll put a link in the description below where you can buy this, yeah? Help out some people?
Yes.
All you 21 nerds?
Oh yeah, and then this isn't stock.
This isn't stock either, because no one wants to see this like yellowy...
It's made by JLT.
JLT. Oh, what? JLT what? Oh.
These people.
Next time.
On Never Stock YouTube channel.
Hey, you better not touch it. We'll get some rollers, we'll get some sounds.
Your mom's a roller.
Ecoboost. sounds like a freight train. There is no exhaust sound. That's the stock exhaust. I'm so ready, bro. I sure hope that this video can do that justice.
Let's do it with the windows up.
Windows up.
You can hear the stew. The stew.
The stew.
The stew.
Here's some stew. It's crazy, bro. VTA.
Yeah.
And air intake. I'm sure that makes a difference also.
Yeah. Here, I'll get another one right here. Let's see. There's no road noise around here. Reggie?
Oh yeah. You hear those turbo spool like you hear it in a Bugatti.
Except we have 2 less turbos than a Bugatti.
Oh, that's true.
But we still have 2 more turbos than a Porsche Taycan Turbo S.
Yeah. Nothing like a VTA mod on the F150. Just chair leg stump. It's very simple. Can you walk and do it at the same time? Oh, man. Oh, look at this end. Yeah, he's revving a 6-cylinder turbo
Brandon,
diesel.
do you know Chata?
Chata?
Yeah.
Who's Chata?
Chata.